Is affiliate marketing for you? Well, I really can't answer that, but I know a lot about affiliate marketing and I know about me. And so if you stick around, I will tell you how to figure out if you think affiliate marketing is for you. First, I'll tell you a bit about myself. I'm Susan Ritchie. I've been doing affiliate marketing for almost a full year. I signed up to start learning about it a full year ago. And I started up knowing nothing, never heard of affiliate marketing before, but I did, and it seemed like the opportunity for me, and I launched right in, and I am really happy that I did. Now, to think about whether affiliate marketing is for you, you might want to know, does it actually work for anybody? And yes, I can tell you that it certainly works for some people, for many people. I know myself, people who have quit their 9 to 5 jobs because of their success with affiliate marketing. I know one woman who quit her job after 5 months of doing affiliate marketing, and another woman who has 4 kids and is divorced, and after 1 year of affiliate marketing, was able to quit her 9 to 5 job. And I could tell you many other stories like that. My situation is a bit different. So I only had a part-time job to give up, which I did do pretty early on. And but then you might want to know if I am achieving my financial goals with affiliate marketing. And as yet, I'm not. My financial goals are kind of enormous and very ambitious, and I am not there yet, but I can say with great confidence that I am well on my way to achieving them. Right now, I'm setting up a lot of systems that will support making the kind of money that I want to make and working the kind of hours that I want to work, which aren't very many. I ideally want to be working about 2 hours a day and making a whole big amount of money. So so I'm on my way to doing that. Now, something else you might want to know is, what does it take to be a good affiliate marketer? And I would say the things it takes are a willingness to learn. So there's a lot. As I said, I didn't know anything about affiliate marketing, and I had none of the skills when I started. And but I've learned, and you have to be willing to not have a clue and to figure it out. So there have been many things that I've just thought, I don't know how to figure this out, and I did. A lot of a lot of the time with Google, sometimes with help of very good customer service people at or technical service people at a couple of the company's products I use, and sometimes through friends I've made in this online world of affiliate marketing. That is something to know about affiliate marketing, is there's a real community around it, because it's or one of the reasons anyway, is that it's not a competitive field, competitive with each other, because the market's vast. I forget the numbers, but billions of people using the internet and social media and more every day. So there's lots of room in the online for new affiliate marketers. So people are very willing to help you, and there are lots of online communities you can join, including mine, which I'll link to down below. So you have to be willing to learn, and you have to be persistent and patient, and a little bit driven to succeed. So those, I would say, are the basic qualifications you need. Now, you'll see people say that affiliate marketing is easy and simple, and I've said those things, but you need to know what the definitions are for those words, I think, in this context. It's not, I wouldn't say intuitive, like they say about some kinds of computers, which I never find very very intuitive, but you have to learn stuff. But it's not like brain surgery where you have to know chemistry and biology and I don't know what else you have to know, and then you have to learn to operate on the brain. So obviously it's not like that. This stuff is very learnable. And so it's simple enough to learn. You just have to learn it. It's easy enough to do. You just have to learn it, then do it. And so, yeah, I would say it's simple and it's easy. But does that mean it's guaranteed? No, it's not guaranteed, because you have to have the kind of, I guess, personality traits I just talked about. So patience, persistence, willingness to learn. And you also have to be willing to give it enough time to work. I would say don't get into this if you're not willing to give it at least 6 months, preferably a year, for it to really start working for you. But that doesn't mean you won't see signs of success and some money coming in along the way. So is affiliate marketing for you? It may well be, if you are willing to learn, eager to learn, if you're a bit driven about making money online, and if you are able to be patient and persistent in the face of the kind of difficulties you'll encounter, which will be technical things not working the way you expect, which happens to me often. But then I figured everything out. Somehow, the way I talked about earlier, asking for help, looking on Google, I've figured everything out so far, and I have so many things I'd never heard of up and running very smoothly now because I have. So yes, if you have the right personality traits, affiliate marketing could be for you. And if you have any questions, yeah, please drop them below and I will answer. I'll include a link to my community if you'd like to join for support as you learn about whether or not you want to do affiliate marketing, and also learn how to do affiliate marketing. And I'll also include a link to the course that I took. Oh, and that's something you might want to know. Do you have to take a course to learn to do affiliate marketing? I would say you have to do something to learn about it. There's lots of free stuff on YouTube if you are able to, pull things together from multiple sources, and, be willing to weigh the advice you get from different people, because you'll get different advice from different people. I needed a more structured program that was all together in one place, in one way, and I could follow it and have faith that I was getting good information. So that was important to me. It may or may not be for you. You can also find someone to coach you through it, someone like me, perhaps, but there are other coaches as well. But you do have to learn it. You don't have to pay for it. You can pay for it, and I would say it's worth it because it will accelerate your success, I believe. But that is up to you. So as I say, ask me questions below, join my group, look for a coach or a program, and I hope I see you in this wonderful world of affiliate marketing, and we'll chat soon. Bye-bye.